UNiDAYS is a popular app designed for students, offering exclusive discounts and promotions. This app features savings on a variety of categories, including fashion, food, beauty, learning tools, and well-being products, available both online and in-store. Access discounts from over 800 top brands, including well-known names in fashion, technology, food, lifestyle, and travel. Registering on UNiDAYS is easy. Students only need a college email address and must verify their student status. Verifying student credentials and selecting the study region, users gain access to discounts. Download the UNiDAYS app from App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and click on Join. Enter your email address. Only real students access these discounts. UNiDAYS requires email verification. After you enter your email, UNiDAYS will send you a confirmation link. Click the link in your email to verify your student status. Check your profile by selecting your region and university. After done, you'll be able to explore thousands of discounts across various categories. Browse by categories such as fashion, beauty, tech, lifestyle, and even food. Simply tap on the category and you'll see available discounts for popular brands. To unlock a discount, click on a brand to view the offer. In some cases, you'll get a promo code to use online, while other offers will automatically apply when you shop in store. If you're having trouble verifying your student email, contact your school's IT department or UNiDAYS support. Discounts change frequently, so check back regularly for updated codes and deals. Some discounts are region-specific, so make sure your region is set correctly in your profile. Sometimes you can even combine UNiDAYS promo codes along with other sales for bigger savings.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.